Naturally, my hair is like a curly, wavy texture, but I love to give myself a voluminous blow dry. Using the Shark Flex Styler, I'm going to convert this into a blow dryer. I'm going to section my hair. I am going to convert this into an oval styler. It's at medium heat. I want to start by pulling my hair tightly from the root and pulling out. That way you get the most volume. Once I take the top section out, my trick for this last section is to pull my hair upwards to give it that really voluminous, rounded effect. My final step is to use the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. This just gives you extra volume. I like to do this in sections, and you do it all over your hair. So you can see even the difference between one side has it and the other side doesn't have it yet. And that's how I get a voluminous blowout. I think I need a hair fan.